Oh, wow. Wow. That is really cool.
Hey everybody, I'm about to run off a firework and this blows smoke everywhere.
Wow. All right, here goes Jackson lighting his very first firework. Ready? Get back. Go, Jackson, go. Good job, buddy. It's a white smoke. Oh no, Jackson, I'm going through smoke.
You lit that.
Whoa.
Yes, you did that.
Oh no, it's coming over here. It's coming over here.
Whoa.
Dad, it's coming.
Good job, dude. Jackson, you lit a firework?
Jax, look.
I want to run through the smoke.
Let's try fairy one.
Okay.
Wow, you're flying.
I can, oh, that.
Run, over here. Run. Run. Come on, get out of the smoke. Yeah. Woo. Smoke me up. Want me to light you, Jax?
Here, go over there with
Put your stick on my stick. Put your stick on my stick. Put your stick on my stick.
What do you mean?
Here, I'll light you, Mom. There you go. Come here. Yeah, that was a loud one.
Oh.
And he's gone.
Come back. This is why it's cool living on a cul-de-sac.
Yep, I agree with you, Mom.
You see all the cars coming in and going in.
Look, he put his out because he
He ran through the rain. Here, come touch mine.
come.
Yours is still lit, dude. Here, you hold mine. I don't want to get like burned.
With a giant morning glory.
Hi.
On today's episode of Jackson Hayes Plays, we have the Solar Surge. I can tell that this one is going to be strong because it has the little tab right here that you pull down. Back up. Woo! Wow. Wow. Oh, I don't like these stick things.
What do you mean?
The lighting.
I don't want to hit stuff.
Jackson, that's it. Good job, Mom. Happy 4th of July. Woo woo.
All right, Jackson, come here. Come towards
Back
Mama.
up.
Okay.
This is a mess, dog. Pretty slow. Whoa, Jackson.